So, the Baltimore Bridge collapse is obviously tragic and has so many different layers of messiness for legal liability. But in simple terms, you may be asking if you have a work comp claim, let's say in Georgia, and it was because of a third party that you got injured. Like, let's say you were driving for Federal Express or something, and you got hit by somebody in a car on the freeway and injured. So, how does that work? Can you recover from both entities, work comp and the person who was potentially at fault in the car accident? And what can happen sometimes is the person then recovers from the car accident person, driver, in a third party claim. And then the work comp insurance carrier says, hey, it was their fault. We want our money back that we paid. So in Georgia, can they get their money back? And what is this called? It's called subrogation. And basically, it's state by state. Some states, they get an automatic right to reimbursement. Some it's harder than others. And in Georgia, surprisingly, this one goes in the injured worker's favor, which is surprising because pretty much nothing else does. But it's very difficult for the work comp carrier to request reimbursement via subrogation. Long story short, they have to prove you're made whole as a result, and it's incredibly difficult to do. So for the most part, they may throw them a little bit of a bone nominally to make them go away, or we tell them to pound sand and they really don't get anything. I used to practice in California, and it was entirely different there. They had a very strong right to reimbursement, and there's no way you would just tell them to pound sand or pay nominal. But in Georgia, this is the one thing you got working in your favor if you're an injured worker.